Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the case and earbuds to avoid interruptions. This ensures firmware updates install. Once done, open the case near your iPhone and follow the on-screen Connect prompt. Make sure Bluetooth is on and you're signed into iCloud so the AirPods pair across your Apple ID. If using Android, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. These first steps create a stable, synced foundation for controls and spatial audio. Now configure controls and audio. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the info icon beside your AirPods. You adjust press and hold to switch modes or activate Siri. Double tap behavior and press sensitivity are set here too because personal gestures avoid accidental skips. Next, toggle noise control modes, active noise cancellation for focus, transparency to hear surroundings, and enable adaptive audio so levels adjust automatically. Finally, turn on to use them. Simply place the AirPods in your ears to autoplay and switch between devices using iCloud. That's why staying signed in matters. When finished, return them to the case. Charging via Lightning or USB-C restores multiple full charges. If they won't connect, ensure Bluetooth is enabled, forget the device in settings, then reset the case by holding the rear button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. That reset clears pairing glitches and often fixes firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.